What are the top altcoins ready to make some big moves in March? Well, today I want to discuss 6 different coins with you that are probably going to see a lot of excitement and a lot of hype building around them, and thus potentially some good price action during the month of March. All of these have some upcoming catalysts that could prove to be market-moving events, and thus could be something worth paying attention to and that you should have on your radar as an investor. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that's what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and click on the bell to make sure you catch all of my videos. By the way, if you want to buy or to trade any of the coins that I'm going to be discussing here in this video today, then you can buy all of them on BINANCE. And with 50 plus supported fiat currencies, BINANCE is absolutely the best exchange. It's the most globally accessible cryptocurrency exchange. From the UK to South Africa to India and beyond, you can use BINANCE to buy with your local fiat currencies. Use the link down below me in the description if you want to get yourself an account, and by using that link down below, you'll get a 10% discount on your trading fees. So let's talk about the top 7 coins that I think are going to do well in March. And just do be aware too that as the current market correction continues, and we see the market really is kind of looking shaky in general, that there may be some deeper discounts coming on some of these coins before we see the price really picking up. So do keep that in mind before just running out and aping into a position. So take that into consideration. Now the first coin on our watch list is, of course, Cardano. This bad boy has been on an absolute freaking tear recently. Finally getting back over $1, very nice to see, obviously. The big news for Cardano is that the Merry hard fork will be rolled out to the mainnet on March 1st. Now this hard fork will help Cardano to take the next steps for really, becoming a fully functional ecosystem. We're going to see tokens finally being implemented. We're going to see smart contracts on the main chain. This is the first step towards making that happen. It is important to understand, this is not the final version of seeing tokens and all that stuff on the main chain, but it's a very, very big step in the right direction for seeing that reality come into play. But still, even if this is not the final version of tokens and smart contracts and all that stuff coming into Cardano, it's still a massive upgrade for Cardano, and it's certainly going to continue to drive a lot of excitement for Cardano in the run-up to this event. That being said, do keep aware you could see a buy the rumors, sell the news kind of thing after the hard fork happens. So when we see hype dying down from that, you may get some chances to buy some Cardano dips. That is, of course, unless Charles Hoskinson drops some more hot news to keep the enthusiasm high. And definitely enthusiasm has been very high for Cardano recently, especially with Ethereum fees going crazy. My guess is that we see strong hype around Cardano continuing for many months to come. The second coin on our list today is Kusama. Not Polkadot, but Polkadot's little brother, Kusama. But kind of Polkadot too. But hey, wait, WTF, Lark? What are you talking about here, man? Now, the reason that Kusama is the one to watch in March, and not necessarily Polkadot, although of course I'm still mega bullish on Polkadot, don't for a second think that I'm not, is that parachain auctions are coming soon to the Polkadot ecosystem, and the first stop is Kusama. That's why. Now, to be clear, we do not yet have the exact dates for when we're going to see parachain auctions happening on Kusama, but we do know that they're coming very soon and that parachains will be happening first on Kusama and then happening on Polkadot after that. Kusama has been rallying super hard for the last few months now. I fully expect it to continue to rally much harder in anticipation of the first parachain auctions coming to the network. So definitely this is one to watch on the run up to that, as well as probably anyone really vying for a parachain slot. So players like Robonomics and a bunch of these other guys, they're also going to get a lot of hype. Now the third coin to keep an eye on, Litecoin. The upcoming Mimblewimble upgrade could cause enough stir to see Litecoin making some new highs, finally getting into price discovery. It's been lagging behind a lot of their coins. In fact, Litecoin has a few decent price catalysts coming up in the next few months, including the Flare Network token drop as well, which again, we don't have a date for that, but when we do get a date for that, probably going to see a lot of excitement. We do know for sure, though, that Mimblewimble has a big event happening in March. And Mimblewimble is a pretty big deal since it's going to bring privacy to Litecoin. It'll be the biggest upgrade for crypto silver in the last few years. Now, this is just a code review coming in the middle of March for Mimblewimble. Hopefully, after that code review, we're going to get some indication of when we could see Mimblewimble privacy technology being shipped out to the Litecoin mainnet. The fourth coin on our watch list is Polygon, the artist formerly known as Matic. With Ethereum 2.0 basically nowhere in sight, it will really come down to layer 2 scaling solutions to pick up the slack from here on out. And there is no bigger and no more important layer 2 scaling solution than Polygon. There are like 90 applications or something currently built on Polygon, including DeFi protocols like QuickSwap and EasyFi. We also have games like Neon District and a growing NFT community as well, like Ave Gochi. They just released some of their NFTs over on Polygon as well. And Polygon's also working with massive players like Chainlink and The Graph for layer 2 infrastructure solutions. I think that with Ethereum fees basically only going up over time, that Polygon will start to get some serious momentum in March. With all the excitement we've seen around Binance Smart Chain, people are also starting to look at Polygon as a serious cryptocurrency. So it's definitely one to watch, even to go experiment with, literally, go and play with it. Try and do a transaction on QuickSwap or something. You'll be shocked. It costs like a penny and takes a few seconds. The fifth coin today is Injective Protocol. I've been talking about this beast since it was like 60 cents ages ago back here on the channel. 20x later, and Injective Protocol is getting a heck of a lot of attention. Now, I only sold enough of my Injective Protocol to take my initial capital back out. I'm still holding like 90% of my Injective bag. I absolutely love it. I'm very excited about it. I'm very bullish on this one for the future. It's a fully decentralized layer 2 exchange. Low fees, high speed, all the stuff you want in a decentralized exchange, allowing you to trade any markets in and out of crypto. Injective has absolutely been smashing it with big partnerships left, right, and center, teaming up with Avalanche and Marlin and Ocean and Uniland and just like loads of others over the last few months. It's also introduced in the last few weeks Forex markets as well as stock trading. So bringing in those derivative markets. Injective is currently in the third and final phase of its testnet, meaning that we will get official word on the mainnet launch really, really soon, which will bring a massive amount of hype in. So when we see that mainnet launching, it's going to be crazy. Even the pre-mainnet hype will probably be pretty significant for this decentralized exchange because the testnets have got a lot of attention. The final coin on our list today is Uniswap. Now, this is a bit of a long shot in terms of, a big March catalyst or not, but Uniswap has been cooking up V3 in the development kitchen for a long time now. I'm starting to smell the aromas of it coming through. It's getting more and more likely by the day that we're going to get an announcement about Uniswap V3 coming out, which will mean two very, very key things for the Uni token. One is that fees will be shared with token holders, which at the current daily volume of like $1 billion a day in volume on Uniswap, that could be a pretty lucrative token to hold. And the second thing that it means for Uniswap, and perhaps the most important part of Uniswap V3, is that it's going to include layer 2 scaling. So damn important, because Uniswap is literally the biggest freaking gas guzzler on Ethereum, accounting for around 20% of the total consumed gas every single day. And layer 2 scaling should bring the fees to use Uniswap from the current 50-60 bucks per trade, which is ludicrous, to a cent per trade in gas fees. It'll be game changing. Anyway, those are just the 6 coins that I'm watching for gains in March. Remember that the market correction could give you some better buying opportunities on these coins in the coming days or weeks before they bounce back up and we start the strong uptrend for altcoins again. Your question for today: what altcoins are you buying right now? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.